Good morning, students. Let us see the second poem, A Poison Tree. A Poison Tree is written by William Black. It is written metaphorically. There are 4 stanzas in it. Let us see the first stanza. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, my wrath did grow. Here, the poet is the speaker. William Black is the speaker, and he speaks of someone, his friend and his foe, whom is angry with. There are 2 parts in the first stanza. The first part is the first 2 lines. I was angry with my friend, I told my wrath did end. When he says, I told my wrath and the wrath did end, after he said, he was angry with his friend, he is saying he was able to get over being angry with his friend and forget about it. He can easily get over being angry and he can easily forget about it. Only he was angry with his friend. It is straight opposite to the next 2 lines. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, my wrath did grow. Here, wrath means the strong feeling of anger or extreme anger. Here, it is quite opposite when he mentions, I told it not, and my wrath did grow. Black is saying that with his enemy, he allowed himself to get angry, and therefore his wrath did grow. It is totally opposite to the first 2 lines, because when he was angry with his friend, he was able to forget it and he was able to get over it. When he was angry with his enemy, he himself allowed to get angry, and therefore his anger grew a lot. Then, second stanza. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with tears, and I sunned it with smiles and with the soft, deceitful wiles. Here, the speaker, William Black, he metaphorically compared his anger to a tree. Black begins to make his anger grow and he takes pleasure in it. Comparing his anger with something, in this case a tree or plant. Here the speaker says he watered it fierce and mourning with tears. Then he says he sunned it with smiles and with soft deceitful wiles. This means he is creating an illusion with his enemy, saying he is pretending to be friendly to seduce and bring him closer. That is called deceitful wiles. He used some tricks and he acted like a friend to seduce and bring him closer. Third stanza. And it grew both day and night till it bore an apple bright, and my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine. The tree or the plant is compared with his anger. The tree grow both day and night, until it bore an apple bright. I meaning that is illusion with his enemies growing and growing until it became strong and tempting thing. He allows his anger to grow and grow until it became a strong and tempting thing, like a huge tree. Then his illusion as metaphor. It is an apple. So his foe believes the apple shines. His friendship is metaphorically it is an apple. His foe, his enemy believes that the apple shines, which means his enemy thinks it is true and he means something, and his enemy takes Black's illusion seriously, and he knew it was mine, suggests that the last line of the third stanza, and he knew that it was mine, that suggested that he really thinks Black is his friend, but actually is not his enemy's friend, but he made an illusion. He made his enemy to believe him as his real friend. Then he started thinking Black is his true friend. The last answer, and into my garden stole, when the night had veiled the pole, in the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. That anger, that illusion talks about here. Being the last stanza, Black needed to come up with a conclusion. So he has used two lines, especially the last two lines. In the morning glad I see, and my foe outstretched beneath the tree. To say that his foe finally fell to his tempting illusion and metaphorically consumed his poison apple and dead. Here, Black says that his enemy believes him a lot. His enemy really thinks Black is his friend, and he has eaten the poison apple. One day he fell to his tempting illusion and he died. So obviously his intentions were hidden behind illusion and he prevailed over his enemy. Actually that is not good, but the poet he says that, and we know that his intention were hidden behind illusion and he prevailed over his enemy. Hope you understand. Thank you.